Delaware County District Attorney Sean Smith is announcing that a Unadilla man has pled guilty in a case regarding an illegal weapon. The office announced that on Tuesday, 20-year-old Elijah O'Neill pled guilty to criminal possession of a firearm and is expected to be sentenced to 6 months in Delaware County Correctional Facility. On July 26, the Village of Sydney Police Department responded to a crash on River Street. O'Neill was identified as the driver in the crash when an officer discovered a loaded Glock handgun in the driver's side door. O'Neill admitted that the weapon was his and he did not have a pistol permit. The Glock was also stolen. O'Neill will also serve 5 years of probation.